Welcome to the Safe Place channel. Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Subtraction, Grade 1 Math Quiz. Let's start easy. What is 5 minus 1? Three, 2, 1. Correct! It's 4. Try this one. 3 minus 2. Three, 2, 1. Nice! The answer is 1. Can you solve 10 minus 6? Three, 2, 1. That's right. 4. Give it a try. 7 minus 3. Three, 2, 1. Good job. It's 4. What is 4 minus 1? Three, 2, 1. Correct. It's 3. Here's another. 9 minus 4. Three, 2, 1. Well done. It's 5. Quick one. 6 minus 6? Three, 2, 1. That makes 0. Try this. 8 minus 2. Three, 2, 1. It's 6. How much is 5 minus 5? Three, 2, 1. Correct? 0. What is 10 minus 3? Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. 3, 2, 1. That's right, 7. Let's take a quick breather. Are you doing well so far? Keep going. Try this one. 2 minus 1. Three, 2, 1. Easy. It's 1. What is 9 minus 7? Three, 2, 1. Correct. 2. Give it a try. 8 minus 5. Three, 2, 1. Nice work. 3. Can you solve 7 minus 1? Three, 2, 1. That's right. 6. What is 6 minus 2? Three, 2, 1. Well done. It's 4. Here's a small one. 4 minus 3. Three, 2, 1. That makes 1. Almost there. 10 minus 8. Three, 2, 1. Nice. 2. What is 9 minus 1? Three, 2, 1. Correct. 8. Second to last, 8 minus 6. Three, 2, 1. That's right. 2. And here comes the last one. 7 minus 4. Three, 2, 1. Final answer, 3. Great job! Keep practicing and have fun with math. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!